Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Square payments on mobile, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Square payments on mobile, begin by downloading the Square point of sale app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your mobile device and open it. If you already have a Square account, tap sign in and enter your credentials. If you are new to Square, tap sign up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your business details and create your account. Once signed in, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Connect your card reader by plugging it into the audio jack or connecting via Bluetooth if using a compatible device. Now, proceed to the Transactions tab at the bottom of the screen. Select Charge to begin processing a payment. Enter the amount you wish to charge your customer. If applicable, add any additional items or service fees. Tap Charge to proceed to payment options. Your customer can choose to pay via credit card, debit card, or digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. For card payments, ask your customer to insert, swipe, or tap their card on the reader. Once the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation screen. Optionally, you can send a digital receipt via email or text message. If desired, you can save customer information for future transactions by tapping Save Customer. If any issues occurred during the transaction, follow the on-screen prompts for. After successful authorization, ensure the transaction is reflected in your Square dashboard for records. That's your complete guide to authorizing payments with Square on mobile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.